Hey guys, it is Friday, so it's time for Fragrance Friday, or if I'm late editing this, Scent Saturday. If you were here on my channel for Fragrance Fridays, there's a playlist down below. If you were here for makeup, I usually post those on Mondays. I like to do a variety of content on this channel. I figured for today's video, we're just gonna do a fragrance haul because I bought a ton of fragrances lately. Now, this is not a normal amount of fragrances to buy at one time, but I was in that mode where I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna buy perfumes for a while. I'm just gonna get them all now because then I have them to review for you guys, try them out, show you what I got, give you initial impressions, kind of describe what I'm smelling, and that's it. So let's just jump right in with Chanel. So I went to they opened a new boutique in my area, Chanel store, and I actually went in for makeup. I was gonna get some lip colors, and of course they have perfumes. I was like, let me check it out. In the past, I was never a huge Chanel fragrance fan. They felt very vintage to me, you know, a little bit not my style, and I don't know what happened. When I went to the store, I smelled them and I loved them. I was obsessed with them. So I've been wearing these nonstop since I got them. I only got them a couple weeks ago and I was like, look, these have my heart now. I don't know what changed. Maybe it's I'm just getting older or whatnot. So the first one I got recently in my Chanel collection is the Coco Noir. Oh my gosh, you guys. Obviously this has been around a long time. It's a classic, but I never got it in the past because I don't know, it just wasn't my style before, but now I love it. It's so beautiful. So this one, when you first spray it, it's very light and bright because normally I cannot stand citrus scents at all. It feels like cleaning supplies to me, and this is not that. There's just little hints of it, but it also has a deepness and a richness to it. It's just very slightly spicy. It's warm. I looked at the keynotes on Fragrantica. It has vanilla in there and benzoin, tonka bean, which I'm picking up just a little bit at the base, but it's very subtle. Like, this is such a great day or night perfume. Like, for me, I would actually be okay wearing this during the day in fall and winter, but it's so wearable. It's very elegant. It's feminine. It's classy. It's a little dark and spicy, but not overpowering at all. So if you like very just classic scents, you don't like anything too strong, but you still want to feel sexy, have something just slightly spicy but fresh, this is a great one. I love that. And the next one I got is Gabrielle Essence. So I've had Gabrielle, the traditional one, for years, and I've worn it. I loved it. My husband got it for me years ago. And the Essence one, I love so much more. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh, I don't know what it is that I'm smelling because the Chanel scents are so well blended. Like, when I look at the notes, because I like to look on Fragrantica to see what's in there just because I'm curious and I kind of want to see what my nose is smelling. But I can't pick up anything in particular. It just smells beautiful, classy, elegant. That's the whole vibe of Chanel. I smell a little bit of the red fruits and peach that it says in here. So there's a very slight fruitiness. There's a touch of floral. It's fresh. It's feminine. It's elegant and classy. Like, this is such an amazing signature scent. So if you guys didn't like the regular Gabrielle, I would say try the Essence one. Ulta has it. The Chanel stores have it. It's so beautiful. I think this is going to be my new signature scent that I'll wear for spring and summer because it's just gorgeous, so feminine, but very, it's not like it's grown, like it's a grown woman girly scent, if that makes sense. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so this next one I have is the Gardenia. Now, I didn't think I was a Gardenia fan, but apparently I am, because when I smelt this, I was like, oh, this is so elegant. This is bridal scent. If you are getting married and you need a very special floral, but not overpowering, not too vintage, it's modern, it's fresh, it's a little sweet. Oh, this is so beautiful. Yeah, this is a bridal scent. Like, if my husband and I were to do a wedding ceremony, because we did it, we just got married, but we didn't have a full-blown ceremony, I would wear this as my wedding scent. It's that beautiful, you all. And I guess I love Gardenia now. I don't know what it is, but this one to me is so pure and natural smelling. It's not synthetic. It's elegant. It's modern, it's clean. It's just a beautiful, pretty floral scent that's not too sweet. It's not overpowering. It's just a great everyday scent as well if you like florals. Oh, so beautiful, you all. I love, love, love that one. And then this one is my baby. This is the one that I'm obsessed with. I've been spraying it after I get out of the shower. So this is the Chanel Paris Riviera. So I guess they have different cities. They have Venice, Riviera, something else. And this one, I was surprised it has a little bit of citrus in it too. But again, it's a little bright. It's very fresh. This is an amazing spring and summer scent because it's fresh, bright, it's clean, a little floral, it's soft, it's understated. This is an eau de toilette, so this is great if you don't like strong scents and you just want to smell clean and pretty. This is amazing. My favorite thing to do is after I shower at night before bed, I mist this all over myself, and it just makes me feel like elegant and pretty and fresh and clean. It's so gorgeous. This, when I run out, I'm gonna get the biggest bottle they have, you guys. This will always be in my collection, and that's probably my favorite out of all the Chanel scents, and I love all of these, honestly, you guys. Okay, so let's go through the other ones. I got a big bag from Neiman Marcus. So this first one I'm gonna show you, hold on, I gotta take the little samples out of it. So it's this brand new brand, and I met the owners. They came to Houston, and so sweet. It's this couple, and I think one of them's name is Bo. I think that's where the name comes from, but he was telling me that his father passed away in 2020, and he was inspired to do what he loves. He was always into fragrances and decided after his dad had died that life is very short. He wanted to do what he loved. So he started creating some fragrances, and him and his husband, I guess, partnered together to work on this, and they are so gorgeous, you guys. And look at this packaging. So he said it's meant to open up like a book. I can see kind of a very like little bit of a Spanish vibe in here, but it's very modern and elegant. It's such a great brand, you guys. And I'll try to do a thorough review of this later because they were so sweet. But it's called Beau, and the scent I got was Lamar. I liked it because I was like, ooh, Marlena, Lamar. But I ended up liking the scent. So they have 3. My mom liked the other one, but I liked this one the most because it's fresh. But once it dries down, it turns into this creamy, sexy, slightly sweet, elegant scent. Oh my gosh, you guys. This, to me, is pure elegance. Like, this makes me feel luxurious, rich, elegant. I've got my shiznit together. I'm sophisticated. This is truly one of the most refined, elegant perfumes I've smelled in a long time. It's gorgeous. I don't know what I'm picking up. I do smell a little bit of florals, some freshness. It's very clean. It's slightly sweet. It's feminine, elegant. There's not a lot of spice in there. This is just a very clean spring summer scent that's just, it's beautiful. I will definitely do a review of this for you guys on my Instagram and TikTok to go more in depth of the notes and such. Lasting power on this, insane. I wore it yesterday. I sprayed it in the morning, and by nighttime, through a mask, I was wearing a mask doing grocery shopping, I could still smell this. Insane projection and longevity on that, and I love the packaging. Like, look how unique that is. It's so gorgeous. So I wish them the best of luck with this brand. I know it's going to do amazing. They just launched at Neiman, so I'm so happy for them. So the next ones I got, I'm going to open together with you guys. Okay, so I got some Byredo scents. Now, I smelled Byredo a couple months ago when I was at Neiman's, and at first I didn't like any of them. It was so weird. I was like, oh, these are too light, too whatever, blah, blah, blah. And so when I went this week, I just got these. That's why it's still in the packaging. I smelled them. I freaking loved all of them. I don't know what happened. I think maybe because the seasons are changing and now it's going to spring and summer, and I want very fresh scents. So that's why I got this one. So I got the Mojave Ghost because everyone talks about it. And at first I was kind of like, I'm one of those people, if everyone wears a scent, I'm like, I don't want it. Everyone has it. I want something unique. That was kind of like with Chanel too. I was kind of like subconsciously like not wanting it because everyone has it. I wanted something different, but this is beautiful. Okay, let me open it. Hold on, you guys. So their packaging, so cool. So it comes in a box like this. You open it up. Look how cool their branding is. I definitely understand why they're very popular. I will say that. So then you take off the lid and you have the cool bottle. You have the little envelope in here. It's just done really well. Like, it's very understated. It's modern. It's clean, and that's how a lot of their scents smell to me. And right now, as we're going into spring, summer, these, I'm like in love with them. So Mojave Ghost to me smells like a super trendy, clean, fresh, sophisticated person. Yes. I don't know what I'm smelling because it's so well blended. It's not like, oh, I smell rose or oh, I smell lemon. It's not. It just smells like pure elegance. Like, it's not super feminine and sweet. It leans a little bit more unisex, but to me, it's still a little bit on the feminine side. So it's very like sexy, clean, fresh, refined, modern, elegant. It's just a great scent, I think, for every day. I could see this being many people's signature scent because it's inoffensive, it's great to wear to work, it's unique smelling. Definitely check out this brand, you guys. Get a discovery set. I'll try to link to some below so you could smell them, but I will do more reviews of this later, but I love this one so much. And then the other one I got was Cellier, and I don't think a lot of people talk about this one because this is the more warmer, deeper, spicier one from the line. Most of Byredo is very fresh, not too strong. They almost come across like eau de toilettes. So Cellier is a darker bottle like this one, and this to me is a little bit warmer and spicier. And I think this has plum in it, is what I remember, and it's smoky. Oh, it's smoky. It has some incense at the base. So if you guys like a very rich, sexy, warm, spicy, smoky scent, oh, this is so good. This is me. You guys, this is me. I love spicy, smoky, sweet scents, but it's not overpowering. Like, I don't want to tell you guys incense because a lot of people get scared. You just have to try it. I promise it doesn't, you won't smell like an ashtray. It's very like, it's just sexy, smoky, very slightly sweet, warm. Like, this is a great fall winter scent. I'm gonna wear it all year round just because I love it so much and I don't care, but fall and winter for sure, it's amazing. Then the next one I got is by Frederick Malle, and I got En Passant. Okay, so this one my mom actually discovered and she loved it, and she was like, ooh, smell this, because we had such a fun day, you guys. My mom and I going together shopping, like, I don't know, it was just great mom-daughter time. Okay, so this one is unique. When you first smell it, it has a floral scent. It almost smells a little bit like the flower and the pollen, but not in a bad way, you guys. Like, it's very refined and elegant. Like, this to me is what I imagine many French women wearing, where it's very elegant, it's classy, it's a little bit floral, but it's not like flowers, you know. Has a little bit of freshness in there, a little sweetness. There's no spices at all. This is just a beautiful, like, if you want a floral scent that's not too sweet, it's, you know, like kind of leaning towards unisex, where it's not sweet, strong, foo-foo-y, girly. It's very like mature woman floral, but not vintage. It's very modern floral. This is beautiful. Yeah, that's a great one. And I love their packaging too. They feel very unisex to me. They're like the black bottles. It's clean, it's simple, it's modern. I really like the packaging. And then the other one I got is a fan favorite. Everyone loves it. It's Portrait of a Lady. I've heard so many people talk about this that even when I went to Neiman's, like, oh, you gotta smell this one. So let me describe it for you guys. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, this is such a unique scent. I'm trying to figure out how to describe it to you all. It's very just slightly sweet. It's fresh, has a little bit of darkness in there, but it's not like rich and spicy. It's still a great everyday scent, and I think this could work for all seasons. It could be a great signature scent. To me, this smells like a very sophisticated woman who's like in her 30s and 40s. She's a professional. She's very modern and trendy. She dresses really well. She's elegant and understated. Like, that's what this smells to me. It's such a unique scent, you guys. I promise I will do a review of this deeper, go over the notes on all that so I can describe it better. But this is just a unique, fresh, bright, not too sweet, not too fruity, has a touch of floral in there, just great, very modern, elegant scent. Okay, then the next one I got was by Roja. This is my first Roja fragrance, and I wanted to try the brand because I've heard so many people online talking about it. So let me open this really quick. Okay, so here's the packaging, you guys. So you have this little triangle here where you could push the box up like this. Look how elegant the packaging is. It's kind of embedded in this silk wrap here, and you pull the bottle out, and look how gorgeous that bottle is. It has kind of the studded lid here. The bottle is so beautiful. It's like purple and pink gradient, like gorgeous. This is so luxurious looking. So this is the scent 51. And this one, to me, this is more feminine. So this is sweet, it's fruity, just a hint of floral in there. If you like fruity scents that are great for summer, they're a little bit sweet, very feminine, flirty, girly, this is the one. But it's not sickeningly sweet, it's not cloying at all. It's a little creamy. I feel like there might be some vanilla in there or some benzoin. It's like a creamy, fruity floral is what it is. Beautiful. I think this will be a great one for me during the day, spring and summer. This, to me, I feel like is a pretty safe buy. If you like those very feminine, fruity floral scents, I think you'll like this one a lot. It's just beautiful. It's like girly in a bottle. I don't know what else to say about that one. I then went to Ulta, and I was looking for a scent for my husband. And so I was in the men's section. My mom's like, what are you looking for your husband? I was like, well, you know, maybe for him, but maybe for me. I don't know. I'm gonna, you know, try some masculine scents. So I got Versace Eros Flame. Now this, let me tell you guys, it is a men's cologne, but 2022, doesn't matter. I feel like there shouldn't be any labels on fragrances. Everyone should wear what they want to wear and smell how they want to smell. So, oh, you guys, okay. This is very balsamic. It's sweet. It's spicy, it's rich. Oh my gosh. It's a little peppery in there. Like, this is a rich curl boss scent. You know, even though this is marketed towards a man. So what happened is I went to Ulta and I sprayed this on my wrist and I was like, I actually like this on me. And I was walking around and I went up to the Ulta counter and I seriously had everyone around me was like, what are you wearing? The worker at Ulta, she was checking me out. She was like, what are you wearing? And I was like, I'm wearing a men's cologne. It's Versace Eros Fire. And she was like, that smells so good on you. I was like, I know, right? And as it settled into my skin, it was like a little sweet, spicy, you know, a little bit earthy, woody, very balsamic. It had this fresh undertone to it. It was so unique to anything I had in my collection, but on me, because I'm this total girly girl, like I have full glam, I have curly hair, I wear pink a lot, but for me to wear something like this is so unexpected. So I get so many compliments. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. I ran back and bought it. I was like, okay, I have to get it now because everyone was like, what are you wearing? I was like, it's a men's cologne, but I love it. And so I've started wearing this, and what's crazy, I don't have it right next to me, but Gucci Bloom, you guys, 1 spray of this, 2 or 3 sprays of Bloom, because this is pretty strong and potent. You put the Bloom on top. Oh my gosh, it's like this rich, spicy floral that is so, so sexy. It's amazing. So I'm gonna try to come up with lots of combo scents for you guys using some men's fragrances. I got one other men's fragrance too, but I'll do it for another video. It's insane, you guys. Just trust me, men's fragrances on women, like, so sexy. Okay, and the last one I got was Van Cleef & Arpels Bois Doré. And this one is a more vanilla scent, which I know we're going into spring and summer, you guys, but you know I'm a vanilla lejor and I have to get all the vanillas. It's one of my favorite keynotes. Look how classy and elegant that bottle is. Like, it's just very sleek and understated. Van Cleef & Arpels does not get enough attention for how amazing their fragrances are. There's so many from that brand I wanted to get. I had to stop myself. I was like, no, I'm just getting one. I have enough perfumes I bought this week. So this is a very rich, kind of sweet vanilla that's a little unisex. Like, it has a little bit of a spice in there. It's almost like a boozy vanilla to me is what I'm picking up. A little bit of spice in there, not too strong. It's creamy, it's rich. This also is a very elegant perfume. Like, oh, it's beautiful. It's just the most creamy, rich, not too strong or overpowering, warm scent that is perfect for fall and winter. I'm gonna wear this all year round at night because it's a cozy scent. Just the hint of spice in there. It's not strong at all. I will say though, the only thing with Van Cleef is that their longevity for me lasts around 6 hours. So it's not like all day, but for me, I don't mind because I'll usually switch out my scent or I'll wear this at night when I only need it to last 4 to 6 hours anyways, but it's such a great creamy vanilla scent. So if you love vanilla and you want something just rich, simple, not overly sweet, doesn't smell like cupcakes, but still has that vanilla warmth to it, this is beautiful. So that is pretty much it for my perfume haul for now. I know we went over a lot of fragrance, you guys. Let me know in the comments which ones of these you want me to do a dedicated review, maybe on my Instagram or TikTok, or if there's other categories of fragrances that you want me to talk about, let me know because I will do a fragrance video every Friday. I love it. I'm so passionate about it. So anyways, you guys, have a great weekend. I hope you're staying happy and healthy like always, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.